Now let us discuss one more example. Example number 5. This is the person I talked to you about him. Now we have to join these two clauses by the relative pronoun whom. This is the person whom I talked to you about. Here in this example, whom substitute for the personal pronoun him as the object of the subordinate clause. In the example 5b, the relative pronoun whom is the object of the subordinate clause. When the relative pronoun is the object, it may be omitted from the clause. Dear students, you can write the example like this is the person I talked to you about. Here we have omitted him. And now the relative pronouns who, whom, and whose refers to the persons, and which is used for the things and for persons considered as a group that may be used to refer to either persons or things. Dear students, however, that is more often used after superlatives and after all, much, little, everything, and none. Let us see the examples. Tahir is willing to pay for the best that is available. All that you have said has been noted. So we have used that after all and after the superlative form. Now you have to do the exercises of this chapter at page number 122.